Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos. Welcome again friends. VirtualBox is not starting the guest OS and it displays failed to open session for the virtual machine and VTTX is not available. In this video, you'll learn the steps to fix VirtualBox failed to open session for the virtual machine problem. Use these steps to fix the problem. First, you need to enable and disable some features. Follow the step to enable and disable. First, click the Windows search icon and type turn Windows features on or off. Next, select the top result and disable or uncheck the Hyper-V and Sandbox. Next, enable or check the virtual machine platform and Windows Hypervisor platform. And press OK. Don't restart your computer, we need to do some more process to fix. Next, we need to disable the Hypervisor launch type. Use these steps to disable the Hypervisor launch type. First, click the Windows search icon and type Windows PowerShell and run in Administrator. Next, type bcdedit, set current Hypervisor launch type off and press Enter key. Next, you can check the status of the Hypervisor launch type. Next, restart your computer. After restart, you can see VirtualBox OS successfully running.